Imagine one side hustle that creates not one, not two, but 7 different income streams. And it does this without adding 7 times the work. You do the work of just one side hustle. It does take about 30 minutes a day, and it's as if you are working 3.5 hours per day on 7 different side hustles. Yet you're creating 7 different passive income streams all at the same time with just one side hustle. It's not getting paid to do surveys or getting paid to click things or anything like that. It's not being a virtual assistant or a freelancer. It's not a remote work job where you're chained to your desk and your computer all day. Now, only 140,000 people out of 5 billion people online know about this, and they are quietly making a small fortune. Take a look at these verified and documented results. So you're probably asking, how the hell are they doing that? Well, if you've heard of affiliate marketing before, then you know that a normal affiliate link pays you for 1 commission. So 1 affiliate link creates 1 income stream for you. Well, this system uses something totally different than a normal affiliate link. It uses what we call a mega link, and that pays you 7 different streams of income. Imagine a system where 1 link does the power of 7. Now let's find out how much money we can make in 24 hours inside the OLSP system with our mega link. Are you ready? Because here we go. So I'm about to share my mega link and make money. See our mega link right here. Now I'm going to click send to share our mega link with as many people as possible. Okay, so the mega link has been shared. Let's hope some people click on it. So take a note of the time that you see on my screen right now, because we'll be referring back to it shortly. Okay, we're back, and as you can see by the clock, time has moved on. Okay, it's been a fair few hours since we shared our mega link, so let's log into OLSP system and see if we've made money. My God, look at that, guys. Look at how easy that was when you know what you're doing. Look how many different commissions we've made. That is the power of 7 income streams from 1 side hustle. So if you feel like nothing is working for you, if you're bouncing around from one website to the next, trying to get paid to take surveys or getting paid to click, if you're feeling frustrated and overwhelmed trying to make money with a remote job or as a freelancer, then maybe it's time to stop kicking a dead horse and make the switch to the OLSP system. By the way, my name is Wayne Crow and I am the creator of the OLSP system. It's actually cost me well over $250,000 and over 4 years to build the OLSP system and the mega link. It may look like a simple link to you, but it's just like an iceberg, and the mega link is the tip of that iceberg. Below the surface of the water, there's a whole system that's doing incredible things. Here's what will happen when you go below and click the button and register for your OLSP system account today. Okay, so you'll get your own login details instantly. You'll log into the OLSP system and your mega link will be sitting there waiting just for you. Okay, you'll get all of the training you need to share your mega link and finally start making good money online. All you have to do is share the link in the ways that we teach you, just like Beverly did. Now this is Beverly, and she didn't know what a mega link was just a short while ago. She got her OLSP system account just like you are, and she started sharing her mega link. She followed just one of our instructions on how to share it for just 30 minutes per day by using a 100% free method. Now let's fast forward a number of weeks, and Beverly has already made $2,052.48 in just 3 weeks starting from scratch. She didn't have to wait long to get her commissions paid out either. And that's because commissions are paid out daily, so you make money extremely fast. OLSP system members are getting paid out on time and like clockwork. So let's do a quick recap. You're going to get your mega link that creates 7 income streams from just 1 link. You're going to get paid out your commissions quickly, just like everyone else. Plus you're going to get all the training you need to share your mega link using our free methods. And here's another great reason to get your OLSP system account right now. Now, OLSP system is also the home of the OLSP community. You'll be part of a community of over 140,000 people who are supporting each other every single day. Now, inside the community, you'll get access to weekly live trainings on how to share your mega link for the most money. You'll also get to rub elbows with all of the most successful OLSP members. They'll share their results with you and how they did it. You'll get to see other members making thousands of dollars every month with their mega link. You see, we believe there are two paths to success. The first path, and we've seen this many times in business, in the business world, is stepping on each other to get your way up, okay? But the best way is by lifting each other up along the way. The most effective way to achieve our goals is by working together, never by working against each other. It's like being on a football team. Everyone on the team matters and everyone works together to win. Bottom line, you'll never feel alone again online. Now, what's that worth to you? It doesn't matter how much money you've made in the past. It doesn't matter how many times you may have failed. It doesn't matter if you're just starting out or if you've been making money online for a long time. You have a place inside our group. And I mean that from the very bottom of my British heart. This is for anyone who ever feels lost, like nothing works, no matter how hard you try. It's for anyone who feels overwhelmed and stressed, like there's no support or help anywhere. It's for anyone who feels frustrated, underpaid or confused. You belong here. These are the type of posts you'll see every single day from other members inspiring you to keep sharing your mega link. Now, I'd like you to personally meet some of the members you're going to get to know inside the OLSP system. I will support you and they will support you as you rocket to success with your mega link.
Hello, my name is Alfonso.
Hey everyone, Dan Mahady here.
My name is David.
Hi, my name is Garn.
Hi, I'm Mark and I'm from Oldham in the UK.
Osman here, coming to you from beautiful Mauritius.
Hi there, this is Zahida Rama from Liverpool.
I've been working with OLSP for over a year now.
I've amassed almost $5,000 using his system, and I only do this 3 hours a week part-time.
I've been in the system for around 2.5 months now, and so far I've generated over $706 in affiliate commission.
Since joining, in the very first 2 weeks, I actually made my very first commissions.
In just 3 weeks of belonging to LSP, I have managed to earn my first commission in my online business.
I've learned many new skills and also earned over $2,100 in that time.
OLSP is the only place where I have earned money and I am really happy with it.
On the internet, I have never seen anything like it before.
And just recently, with my OLSP wins, I managed to purchase a brand new touchscreen laptop.
Join this system today and I assure you, you will not regret.
I believe it's the best system out there, and I want to say a big thank you to Wayne Crow, his team, for all the training, support and mentorship for making OLSP system the best platform out there.
And I have been able to learn so much. I've earned thousands of dollars in commissions, built my email list. I absolutely love it over there.
I've been around loads and loads of other places that all talk high-end, high-end and this and that, but none of them have performed. None of them has stand out, apart from this one.
It certainly changed my business.
Thanks again, Wayne.
So here's everything you're going to get, a quick summary of everything you're going to get when you click the button below and join the OLSP system right now. You're going to get access to the OLSP system and you're going to receive your account login details instantly. You're going to log in minutes from now and get your mega link. You're going to get all the training and free methods you need to share your mega link. You're going to get access to the OLSP system community with all the support you could ever dream of. And you're going to get access to my weekly live trainings inside the group. I've also got one special limited time bonus when you join right now. This special bonus will be gone soon. I cannot do this for everyone. It's only for you if you take action right now, because this bonus will be pulled down at any moment. Now, if you take action on this and you join the OLSP system right now, then you'll also get access to lifetime commissions on unlimited income streams. Instead of 7 income streams, I'm going to blow this open for you and allow you to make money on more income streams than I can count for life. Now, here's what this means. Anytime you make commission, you're not only locked in for the 6 other commissions, but unlimited commissions for life, okay, forever. You could make a commission right now, right after you start, by sharing your mega link. Then in 60 days, you can make another commission. Or 6 months later, you could make another commission. Or even 1 year later, you can make more commissions, okay? You can make another commission 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, forever in the future. All from sharing your mega link today. Now, I hope that makes sense, and I hope that is very clear. You could make your first commission with your mega link in just minutes from now. Then you could make commissions from 6 other income streams, or 10 more income streams, or even 20 more income streams. It's absolutely bonkers. You will not find anything like this anywhere else. Now, for obvious reasons, I can't let everyone in and have this limited time bonus. If you want to lock in lifetime commissions and unlimited income streams, then you must click the button below to get access to OLSP system right now. This bonus will go away at any moment. If that happens, then you'll miss out on lifetime commissions and unlimited income streams forever. So you have 2 roads you can take right now. You can go back to making 1 income stream from 1 side hustle, or you could join the only side hustle that creates 7 income streams at a time. A chance like this only comes along once in a blue moon. And if you act fast, then you'll get lifetime commissions and unlimited commissions bonus. That time is now to grab this golden opportunity with both hands and don't let it go. Stop everything you're doing and get access to OLSP system and get your mega link by clicking the button below right now.